So it's the entire squad at the supermarket on an early Saturday morning shopping. Say hello, kids.
One is enough?
I don't know. Two?
Because there's only 8.
Okay. Tyler, Sarah, say hello. Supermarket shop. Babe, say hello.
What's up?
What's up? We're finishing up Saturday morning supermarket. So here what I realized between Saturday supermarket and supermarket any other day. You get everything fresh produce. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful on a Saturday morning. Everything is just looking bright and beautiful and so many options to choose from. You're not getting what left. But I have to go to work today, so we run to the supermarket to do some shopping. Look, it's there. To do some supermarket shopping, and now we're about to head home. So you guys get in the last of the supermarket. Let's go to the cashier. I should probably search for protein for lunch. So you go and I go to the. I go to search for protein. I don't know if you want to check samosa. Is that go in the line? Anyway, I'm about to see if I find some meat for lunch. I don't know if they're ready, but I'm gonna check either ways because I have to eat lunch before I go to work. So let's try my luck to see if I find anything. Hopefully they have something ready. But let's see, shawty. Alright, they probably have chicken, but I don't feel for chicken. I'm hoping that they have pork. Yes, they do. Okay, so they have ready chicken wings, which is here. They have small whole birds, which I don't think I need. They also have pork over here, which looks delicious. So I think I'm gonna go with this. So I'll take 2 or a pack with 2 in it because we love this meat. Or I'll take 2 different type. Yes, so I'll take this one here, which looks delicious, and then I'll take 1 of this here. And we can have that with salad, and the kids can have this with fries. So lunch, yay! So to the cashier we go with lunch.
Bye-bye, this is my cake.
Tyler don't know that fun. Do we have anything just to snack or anything?
Like chips,
Pringles or
not Pringles. You want me to go pick up one?
just one thing done? Just one thing, whatever.
I get the Pringles. But I don't. Samosa 6, samosa 8. I'll take this one. Okay, and I'll go for a Pringles. So you guys see how full it is on a Saturday? Can't go through. So many people. So there's a surprise for Tyler today. My father-in-law is coming and he has no idea. However, I will not be at home when he gets here, so I'll miss out on all the fun. Dommage. Sad, but that's life. It happens. The girl gotta work. Your girl gotta work. So I'm coming to pick up Pringles for them so that they can have something to munch on later when I'm not there. Anyway, see you guys. Off to the cashier we go. Off to the cashier we go. See these long lines in the supermarkets. Through the supermarket. It's time for the supermarket Mama win that round. I win that round. So if I lose that rock, paper, scissors, I make up for it.
You're already a you're already a winner.
Exactly.
We all born winner.
That's true. Anyway, we're back and it's ready for the antiques. Let's go.
And Mama?
Lunch? Yes, we're gonna have that for lunch. What do you want that with?
With this.
What do you want it with, Daddy?
Yeah, we got a bottle of wine. That's a lot. That's a jar.
I want to have.
That's no wine.
And we got a bottle of champagne. Woo!
Mama, I want this.
He's up to something without me. But that's okay. You want that with pasta for lunch? Okay. Hey, what are you doing? What are you eating? Cereal? Sheer. Sheer? Yes, be nice.
Oh, Sarah.
Sheer.
What is that, Sarah? How do you call that in English?
Eclair?
You call it eclair too?
Yes, it's
Alright, that's an eclair, chocolate
Yes,
eclair.
Sarah?
It's for the movie night.
It's
Yes,
for the movie night. Alright.
Can you watch movie night?
Yes, later. Comfort. Nana for mama.
We have Abdul.
Sarah, what is this?
Corn.
Corn. Come tell her. Let's go, man. Let's go. Mama have to go to work. I haven't bought any of these in a long time. These are food substitutes. I love to have them just randomly. Let me change the battery. It's about to die. Okay, let's go. Continue. Battery's good.
We have a cheesecake for the parents and not for the kids.
Right.
Show Sarah and then you will see some.
Sarah, c'est quoi ça?
will have both sliced by herself.
Ketchup.
Pookie. Papa et maman? Non, et pas tout à l'heure.
You know, she said it's a mama and papa Patella.
No. Papa, Mama, Sarah.
No.
Only Papa, Mama, and Sarah. And Tyler. No.
No, Tyler don't like this.
Alright, what we have here, we have some bananas.
Alright, let's make this fast. Couscous.
Pineapple, mushroom. Pineapple expensive.
Very expensive.
I don't know where they're coming from. They're probably
Lettuce.
coming from gold.
Soup for babe, he loves these. Sarah, what you doing? Just being pretty and eating?
Pringles.
Jam.
Strawberries for Papa. Yes.
Cereal and
Sarah
Nice.
and Papa, okay?
Cereal.
Yes.
We're gonna have
Papa
a date
don't provoke
together.
Sarah, no?
I'm gonna have a date with my daughter. You're jealous?
Hell no.
We're gonna have a strawberry
Couldn't
date.
care less.
We're gonna eat strawberry and the white cream.
I don't
We're
care.
gonna eat them
I don't
and watch
care.
a movie
Cookie.
together.
I couldn't care less.
And she's gonna just princess and I'm gonna just prince.
And I'm going to be working. Man in
And
my
you'll be at
business.
work.
Donuts,
We have
sand.
a cucumber.
Biscuit patai.
Meal Pops.
Meal pops. Snack and more snack for the kids. More snack for the kids. Different type of snack for the kids.
Pack of chicken.
Dry sausage.
A woman, I never saw a woman like this. A woman loving chicken more than her. She can eat chicken morning, for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, and even for snack.
That's the fact. I'll eat chicken around the clock.
Chicken.
Any type of chicken.
Even when she sleeps, she says chicken. And sometimes she moves like this. Are you agree with me? No.
You guys, can I tell you how much I've been working these days that I've been talking about work in my sleep? Babe and I couldn't stop laughing. It's like I was checking in, babe, into a hotel in my sleep.
Yeah, I already put the credit card and we have tea.
Cereal bar.
The petit black tablet.
Snack for the kids again. Let's go. Samosa for my Tyler. He loves this, but
we have golden cereal.
For the golden girl.
Happy biscuits.
Sarah, defend her cereal. You guys, look what I found at the supermarket. I've been waiting for this moment to share this with y'all. I paid €2 for it and I'm going to enjoy every bit of it, and it's actually ripe and squishing out and ready to be eaten, so I'm gonna eat it with my lunch, and I know that the family is going to say, ugh, I don't like it, but just in case I want to see their faces, so I'll savor the moments. I'll savor the moments just for this.
Mama, I'm strong.
You're strong?
Mama.
She was eating all of the cereals one by one. Like,
you want some of this one now?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, what if I give you this one? You're not gonna eat lunch?
We have
You're hungry?
some others. Also, that's high. No,
Yes, it's cornmeal.
we have juice for Sarah.
That's cornmeal to make porridge. Ready? Give me the bowl.
What is that, Sarah?
Wow.
It's celery for the green meal. Can I get one?
Do you want to taste it?
Yes.
Can I get one marshmallow? Please.
Yummy. Right, put it back in the bag.
This should be more than milk.
So good.
The milk will be better.
No.
No?
It's so good this way.
We have 2 salmon
Okay,
for
almost
15 euro piece.
What a marshmallow. What a marshmallow.
Ask her, Ty. Ask her.
Marshmallow,
Give
please.
Ty a marshmallow.
We have nana. That's
No,
very
marshmallow.
important. Yeah, that's very important. That's all of this. That's one thing that you need to get is the nana. And that's the first thing you're going to get in the supermarket. You run to it. You want to make sure that there's still some. We have tea.
Yeah, loves the thing this man saying.
Oh, another nana. That's how important it is. Ooh.
More yogurt.
You better
cheese.
not be out of
Bacon
nana.
for the crew.
Sarah?
It's bread. Yay.
Is cake.
Yogurt for Tai, his favorite. We have green beans. We have meatballs. We have honey for my honey. We have fish. This is the frozen bag. So
We have a
Candies.
bottle of
Baileys. We bought Baileys last week. I bought Baileys this week. Can you tell what happened?
She drink a lot.
I've been drinking a lot of Baileys. this
She
week.
drink
Every
a lot.
evening I come home, I want Baileys.
She become like this fancy little. After war, she have to get this glass of wine,
Oh, what
red
is this?
wine. We have chocolates.
Look at this one just eating away.
Tomatoes.
It's yummy, Sarah. So why you eating out all of the marshmallows? Ow, it finished. Everything is duplicate. I finished already.
Okay.
Come,
Juice.
rock, paper,
We
scissors.
didn't finish.
It's duplicate, guys. Yogurt, more yogurt. Come, let's see who is going to be victorious today. Let's
And if
go.
I win, I'm versus you puppets.
Versus,
Bye-bye.
I'm no longer puppet because the puppet win last week, so that name no longer fits. Come on, let's go.
You're big puppets.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One papa. Let's see who's gonna be the puppet this morning. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Come on.
Two papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two Tyler. Anybody win this win? Anybody win this win? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Me versus big puppets.
Tyler win.
Me versus big puppets.
How did you make that happen?
You said who was going to win? 2-0. 2-1.
How did you make that happen? Oh mon
That's
Dieu.
Me versus
That's a
big
crash.
puppets.
Come,
That's a card.
So
I'm
when
getting a
there's
revenge
versus
trade. Come. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
You come back.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One mama. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two mama. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
2-2.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Push, ow.
We have a winner.
My hand hit it. Push. Mama win. Dun, 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 dun.
He's not crying because he hurt himself.
Move is because him hurt. Leave him
He's
alone.
crying because he lost.
Lie. It's because my hand hit him and it hit him hard.
You lost. You lost.
Don't look at Papa.
You're
Papa give too much trouble.
You're very
Tyler,
sad.
come back. Come help me pack out the goodies. You have to go play? Go on. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to pack out these things and get ready for work.
Oh, this was the first win back.